Hey guys, it's Cody from Velocity. We're here at SEMA. Our 69 Chevelle that we partnered up with Dutchboys on has had a huge response. We just want to talk about the car a little bit. Spent about a year designing the car. Reached out to Paul at Dutchboys. We'd already had a good relationship going on. Paul, tell us about actually building this car.
Yeah, it was great. You guys did a killer work designing it and turned the guys loose at the shop. The guys killed it on the body modifications, cleaning up different lines.
Yeah, let's go up here
Yeah.
and look at this, guys. This is not easy. The whole front end of this car has been reworked. That factory bumper does not look like that. All the lines are super crisp. That lower splitter's been hand built out of aluminum. That's not easy stuff to do. They actually did a rear diffuser on the rear as well. It's not easy to do stuff like this. Paul, tell us a little bit about how y'all got this engine bay packaged this nicely.
So when we start a project like this, it's basically putting the motor in, figuring out the plumbing, coolers. The packaging is very important on a car, a twin turbo car, especially. Then building everything else around it and making it serviceable, functional, but also on the car like this, it has to look good. It's coming to SEMA show, it's got to look good. It's got to be a driver, but it's got to be a show car too.
I really love what they did with this engine bay. We're going to talk about the interior really quick. We just really wanted to modernize the hot rod interior, make it comfortable, functionable. It's the most important part of the car, in my opinion. It's like your living room. If you're not comfortable in it, you're not going to want to drive it. We brought in that piano black to make it, stand out a little bit more. Brought the bronze color from the wheels in there to accent it. It's got a really kick-ass focal stereo system in it. Paul and the guys did a really good job on the roll cage. Let's go around here to the back of the car really quick. So they built a really cool spoiler on the back of this thing. You're not gonna see another one like it. The rear diffuser we talked about. They really brought it all together, tucked those bumpers in really tight, made it look modern.
That's probably one of my favorite parts of the car personally. The different layers of the diffuser and the exhaust tips coming out, playing with the bumper and everything. That's probably my favorite part of the car. So.
The last part of this car is the wheels. It's really what makes this thing stand out. Jesse over at Greening made these wheels for us. We're 19 by 9 in the front, 20 by 12 in the rear. Really badass color. This was Paul's idea to bring this color into the car. The customer was here this week. He actually got to sit in this thing, feel it, touch it. It's real. He was so happy. He's ready to take it home. We're gonna be starting a Super B build here pretty quick. Can't wait for you guys to see it.